Hello everybody, let me talk about my new CD, Magnets Omit Memories. It's available on Amazon Prime. I have a link in the show notes down there, basically, in the comments area. And when I look at this CD, it really is amazing to me that the quality of a CD that you can get for $5. I'm not so much trying to have you all buy the CD. This is avant-garde electronica, experimental electronic music. Not everybody's cup of tea. I'm into making that kind of music. But I really want to talk about how different, how technologies and things come about. So with this CD here, if I would have been able to produce a CD of this quality 20 years ago at a price point that I could afford, I mean, I would have paid $5 for these back in the day and sold them for 15 bucks or 10 bucks. I would at least doubled my money. And people would have bought it because, oh man, look, you know, they get shrink wrapped and all the artwork. And actually, there's inside the CD itself, there's artwork in the CD itself. So that's one process back 20 years ago. Today, let's be honest, nobody even wants a CD today. They want to listen to something on streaming online. Not even MP3s. People aren't really listening to MP3s so much anymore either. They're listening to stuff that's streaming on their phone. And they have it connected to their computer, to their computers, or connected to their cars. So the one thing that's nice about this is tangible. This is because it's from Amazon. It's a recordable. It's not actually a press CD. So it's probably got a 20, 30 year lifespan. You know, let's be honest. Who knows how the streaming services are going to be in the future for songs, for music? I would guess they would still be there, but who knows? Here's a tangible copy that could last, if it's a press CD, it can last 100 years, probably beyond most people's lives, sadly. Hopefully y'all live longer than 100 years, but most of us probably won't. So yeah, it's really amazing when I look at this and think, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, if you would have told a 30-year-old, go back 30 years from me, when I'm a kid, and say, hey, one day you'll have CDs that not look like CDs and are CDs that you can buy on this international website, basically from anybody from around the world can buy this CD. And be like, wow, man, really. Same thing when I made The Rise of the Robots. You would have told me as a kid, one day you're going to make a feature film and people from all over the world are going to be able to watch it. And with the technologies that have come down in price, makes it where I can make a CD. And basically with a computer any of y'all have. Making a feature film, there's a lot of different processes of films. Trust me, I watch a lot of films at film festivals and things like that. Some of the quality of the cinematography is amazing. Some of it's not. Really, honestly, it's story that's more important than anything else, and content's more important than anything else. But we got to a point where we really don't watch, we basically want things that are streaming, not tangible things. And it's really interesting and fascinating. So if you like to have be one of the rare people in the world that have a copy of Magnets Omit Memories, you can go to Amazon, buy it for $5. Basically, if you got Amazon Prime, if you buy anything over $20 or $25, it's a free add-on. It's one of those add-on things. That's why they can send out to you relatively inexpensive. So yeah, to me, it's pretty amazing to do that. So as always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. If you like my type of content, please subscribe to my channel. What do you think? What kind of technologies are going to be around? What kind of technologies are going to change? What kind of CDs, or how we're going to listen to music in the future? Who knows? Yeah, compute that.